Welcome back to Smart Living. Today, we're counting down 10 revolutionary gadgets that will transform your home organization. Let's dive in. Dish drying rack. First up, reclaim your kitchen counters with this 2-tier rust-proof dish drying rack. It doubles your drying space and features a smart drain board that funnels water directly into the sink. No more puddles, just a clean, organized kitchen. 6% hairbrush set. Next, elevate your beauty routine with this 6-piece professional hairdressing set. Whether you're perfecting a slick back bun or intricate braids, this kit has everything from mist spray bottles to edge control brushes for a salon-quality finish at home. Wall-mounted drying rack. Space is a luxury. Our aluminum alloy folding drying rack is a total game-changer for apartments without balconies. It's heavy-duty, rust-proof, and folds flat against the wall when not in use. Invisible storage at its best. Lift-top coffee table. Why settle for a basic table? This lift-top coffee table transforms into a workstation or dining surface in seconds. Plus, it features a hidden storage compartment to keep your living room clutter-free. Stylish and multifunctional. Portable wardrobe. Need an extra closet? This portable non-woven fabric wardrobe is dust-proof, sturdy, and takes only minutes to assemble. It's the perfect solution for organizing your clothes and shoes in any room without permanent furniture. Italian sintered stone table. Bring luxury to your home with this Italian minimalist extendable table. Made from scratch-resistant sintered stone, it functions as a coffee table, tea station, or home island. Elegance meets extreme durability. Pineapple corer set. Kitchen prep just got easier. This stainless steel pineapple corer and slicer removes the core and eyes in seconds. Paired with a strawberry huller, it's the ultimate tool for fresh fruit lovers who hate the mess. 9-in-1 veggie cutter. Stop chopping and start slicing with the 9-in-1 multifunctional vegetable cutter. With interchangeable blades and a built-in rotating drain basket, you can wash, slice, and shred your veggies in one go. Safety and speed in one tool. Glass bathroom shelf. Upgrade your bathroom with this premium tempered glass shelf. Its rust-proof hardware and sleek design keep your shower essentials organized while adding a touch of modern luxury to your walls. Waterless oil diffuser. Finally, keep your home smelling like a spa with this smart waterless essential oil diffuser. Controlled via Bluetooth, it plugs directly into your wall to deliver a pure, potent aroma without any water mess. Which of these smart finds was your favorite? All links are available in our bio and description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart living updates. See you in the next one.